In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete lists in Klaviyo. This process is straightforward, but it's important to follow these steps carefully to ensure you manage your lists accurately. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Audience section. To do this, look at the left panel of your Klaviyo dashboard. You'll find Audience listed there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will open, offering several options for managing your subscribers and contacts. From this list, select Lists and Segments. This section is where all your lists are stored, allowing you to organize and structure your audience as needed. Once you're in the Lists and Segments area, take a moment to review the lists displayed. You can see all the lists that are set up in your account, and this is where you'll be able to choose which ones you want to delete. Carefully go through this list, and when you're ready, begin selecting the ones you wish to remove. To do this, you'll see boxes next to each list name. Simply check these boxes for each list you want to delete. It's important to ensure you're selecting the correct lists, as deleting them will remove them from your account permanently. After you have selected the lists you wish to delete, look for the context menu that will appear on your screen. This usually pops up automatically after you make your selections. Within this menu, you should see an option to delete. Click on this option to move forward with the deletion process. This step is crucial because it confirms your choice to remove these lists from your Klaviyo account. Once you click delete, the lists you selected will be permanently removed from your Klaviyo account. It's as simple as that. However, remember that once a list is deleted, it cannot be recovered, so make sure double-check your selections before clicking delete. Deleting lists can be beneficial for keeping your account organized, especially if you have old or unnecessary lists cluttering your workspace. By regularly managing and cleaning up your lists, you ensure your account remains functional and efficient. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to bulk delete lists in Klaviyo. Keeping your audience lists organized is a crucial part of staying on top of your email marketing efforts, and now you have the tools to manage them more effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe for more guides like this one.